Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Memorial Day here in the US, and I wanted to make a cookie to represent the holiday and the brave men and women that made the ultimate sacrifice for us. I hope everyone has a happy and safe Memorial Day, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm starting off using red royal icing in flood consistency to fill in the red stripe of the cookie. Then use the scribe tool to even out the icing, and go ahead and pop any air bubbles that are in the icing while you're doing that. Then I do the blue stripe next with blue royal icing in flood consistency. It's best to do the white stripe last, that way it doesn't bleed into the red royal icing and the blue royal icing. Next, use the scribe tool to even out the icing and to get rid of any air bubbles. Next, make a dotted border around the cookie. Leave enough space in between each dot because you'll go back around and place a dot in between those. This is going to help keep the icing from running together. Next, make the dog tags using gray royal icing that's a little bit thicker than flood consistency. Make sure to use a scribe tool to get the icing smooth and even. Now outline the dog tags with the same gray royal icing. Next, make the chains by making little dots with the same gray royal icing. If any of the dots are uneven, you can go ahead and use your scribe tool to even them out. It's best to let the cookie dry overnight before doing the next step. After the cookie has dried overnight, use an edible food marker to write on the dog tags. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you guys next time.